Welcome to TULA Education, where we are proud to be a leader in tuition-free learning experiences. As part of our commitment to enhancing communication and collaboration among students, TULA has made a transition to using Slack as our primary platform for student interaction. This tutorial aims to help everyone become familiar with using Slack for educational purposes, ensuring you can maximize your learning and collaboration. Before we dive into the specific features and functionalities of Slack, I'd like to share an interesting piece of history about our founder, Owen Canwin Johnson Twezama. Did you know he was born in a remote area of Liberia, a country situated in the western part of Africa known for its rich culture and resilient spirit? Owen's journey from his humble beginnings to establishing TULA Education is an inspiring story that embodies the values of perseverance and dedication. Now, let's get started with our tutorial. Have you considered how Slack can revolutionize the way you communicate and collaborate on your academic projects? This powerful tool streamlines interactions, enabling group projects and class discussions to become more efficient and organized than ever before. With features such as channels, direct messaging, file sharing, and integration with various applications, Slack sets the stage for a more collaborative learning environment. Let's explore how you can leverage these capabilities to enhance your educational experience at TULA. Did you know that TULA Education has made a remarkable impact since it was founded, reaching out to over 27 countries while ensuring that tuition has never been a burden for anyone? This dedication to making education accessible is truly admirable. Let's continue our tutoring sessions on Slack, where we can collaborate and share valuable resources to enhance our learning experience. Setting up Slack is a straightforward process. Begin by creating your account on the platform, which will involve providing your email address and setting up a password. Once your account is established, you can join your designated educational workspace. This workspace serves as a central hub for all your academic interactions, seamlessly organizing communications, resources, and collaborations in one accessible location. It allows you to connect easily with classmates, instructors, and project teams, ensuring that you have everything you need at your fingertips to enhance your learning experience. Once you're in, explore the Slack interface. Familiarize yourself with channels, direct messages, and key features. Customize notifications to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Create channels for different projects and topics. This keeps discussions organized and focused, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Use direct messages and group chats to enhance teamwork. These tools play a crucial role in modern communication, bridging the gap between team members regardless of their physical location. Integrate tools like Google Drive to boost productivity and streamline project management processes. This integration allows for real-time collaboration, making it easier to share documents and keep track of updates efficiently. Discover the powerful features of threads and file sharing that elevate your communication experience. Threads allow you to organize discussions by topic, making it easy to follow conversations without losing context. Meanwhile, file sharing enables you to effortlessly exchange important documents and resources, ensuring that vital information is readily available at your fingertips. Together, these tools enhance collaboration and keep your interactions focused and efficient. By mastering Slack, you will significantly enhance your communication and collaboration skills. This dynamic platform is indispensable in today's educational landscape, facilitating real-time conversations and enabling effortless teamwork. With its user-friendly interface and a variety of integration options, Slack transforms the way individuals connect and collaborate, making group projects more streamlined and productive. Embracing this tool not only empowers you to share ideas quickly and effectively, but also fosters a culture of cooperation and engagement, essential for success in modern learning environments. Are you ready to enhance your educational experience in ways you never imagined? Dive into Slack today and transform how you learn, share ideas, and collaborate with your peers and instructors. Let's make your academic journey smoother, more engaging, and more connected than ever before. Experience the power of seamless communication and discover new opportunities for growth and success.